Very nice. Gorgeous color. Akrapovic exhaust. We have the M8 Convertible.
Kör förbi han.
Nej.
Är du detta?
Det här måste vi. Ja, det här måste vi följa. For round exhaust. Let's hope he floors it.
I don't think so.
Oh, wow, the M8 will be brutal. So let's put this in comfort so
that we can hear him.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean 625 horsepower minimum. Let's provoke him.
Gå till höger så man kan se någonting.
Just det.
Vänster.
Wow. Is it... What color is it? Is it...
Blue.
Yeah, it is. Some kind of...
It's blue.
Yeah, maybe it's... Oh. Let's do a thumbs up. Very nice. Very nice. Gorgeous color. Akrapovic exhaust.
Wow.
Okay, he will floor it around that truck, I promise you. Wow. Om den här lastbilen.
Det hade varit trevligt.
Jag kan köra den nu.
Vi ska högre, precis.
Det var tunnel och allt. Nu.
Där låg den.
Ja.
Du drog ner varenda fönster som fanns i den här bilen.
Jag fick panik. Fan också. Ja, X free speed. Really fast X car. It's not your average X2. Opening up in front. Can't believe it. It's a 330 in front of us. We're giving it full beams, that's for sure. Thank you. From 200 just kicks in gear. 230. 240. 250 indicated. 260 indicated. Yes, it seemed that it didn't go any more than 260. It had a good acceleration between 220 and 260, I would say.